my name is Amit Tambi, a project management professional having mechanical engineering degree with postgraduate qualification in project management and PMP certification from PMI USA. I am also a green building professional certified by IGBC. I have spent 26 plus years in corporate at various senior level positions and executed about 150 plus projects ranging from hotels, commercial, MNC school, retail, restaurant, offices and industry. I headed the project team for about 16 plus years and led various project teams and completed reputed projects of Oberoi, Taj, IFG, AR, American MSc, Alchemist, etc. During my project management days, I deeply involved with the interior works and I soon realized that a large part of this sector is still unorganized. I saw people having great difficulty in hiring right contractors, especially for paint works. Without the right skills or tools, the paint job mostly end up becoming messy with poor finish, making customers often unsatisfied. I started understanding the pain points in the paint services industry, and that is how Color Edge was born. I started training painters, introduced the tools and brought in mechanization. Surely it was not easy to start a brand and services from the scratch, but I was fully energized in creating something meaningful, so it started progressing on the path. It also got good and positive vibes from various persons whomsoever I discussed the idea that supported me a lot. Surely it was very difficult in arranging and managing labors, but then during the course of the process, I also realized that laborers also need a stable career and handholding with a company who can take care about their usual needs. So with this concept, I slowly started attracting good laborers. My idea was also bring more mechanization in this field to make the process faster and reduce the dependence on labor. In that line, I also invested in good spray machine and sanding machines. Our services are internal painting, external painting, interiors and exterior textures, coating, all type of wood polishing and industrial coatings. My USP of Color Edge are A. Mechanization of the painting process that helps in reducing the execution time a lot. B. We bring in the best safety, hygiene and masking practices that are way ahead of competition. C. Trained workforce execute seamless paint jobs. D. We have a team of on-roll workmen and hence dependency on contractual laborers are less. E. Professional setup, hence better clarity and commitment in delivery of assignment as compared to usual painters. F. Beside painting services, we are into polishing, textures, designer paints, coating, hence all related services are there under one roof. G. Having our display center for showcasing texture and designer finishes to feel and choose. H. Having 30 years of experience in industry and in high-end buildings, hence better understanding of linked issues of wall and ceiling finishing works. I. With our experience in the industry, we can solve multiple issues as client faces at their spaces. In my journey of last 3 years of Color Edge brand, we started with the focus on painting services, but now we are all well established in all type of wood polishing, various textures and designer paints. Even we have set up a display center for showcasing all type of wood and texture finishes, which gives us big advantage over others. We are also venturing in heat-proof coatings on roof and walls, which can help in reducing the inside temperature of spaces by about 4 degrees. In last 3 years, we have executed more than 200 type of assignments in Color Edge.